Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Akansha Thakur from Cosmo Dental Care, and today I'm going to discuss common problem faced by most of you, such as if your front tooth breaks, what to do. अगर आपके सामने वाला दांत टूट जाता है तो उसका क्या करना चाहिए. ओके, जो हमारे आगे के दांत होते हैं वो दो ऐसे बड़े दांत जिनको सेंट्रल इंसाइजर्स कहते हैं. सो अगर ये ब्रेक हो जाते हैं, सपोज़ एक कॉर्नर से चिप ऑफ हो जाता है, तो हम इसको फिलिंग कर सकते हैं, कॉस्मेटिक फिलिंग कर सकते हैं विद कॉम्पोजिट मटेरियल जो बिल्कुल आपके दांतों के शेड से मैच करेगा और ऐसा किसी को पता भी नहीं लगेगा कि ये दांत कहीं चिप ऑफ हुआ था या टूट गया था. ओके, ये हम कर सकते हैं जब वो जो दांत टूटा है उसका पोर्शन बहुत ही छोटा सा. ओके, और अगर ये दांत मोर देन हाफ, अगर आपका दांत टूट गया है और दांत की नस दिखने लगी है, इट लुक्स लाइक अ रेड स्पॉट, देन व्हाट टू डू. So in such cases you have to go visit a dentist immediately because you'll be having unbearable pain because of the pulp exposure. A little amount of air or water will also lead to a severe pain. So when this happens, you have to visit your dentist immediately and they will be doing a root canal treatment and then doing a cap on it. Okay, and what happens if it is between the dentin, enamel and dentin, but not reaching the lipple? In such cases also we can do a filling. But if there is any sensitivity, अगर आपका दांत जहाँ से टूटा है, if you're getting any kind of pain, we take one X-ray, see the extent of the involvement of the tooth fracture, and then take a call कि हम उसमें filling करें और we do a root canal treatment. And sometimes what happens is, जो सामने वाला दांत होता है, इट इज़ अ लिटिल प्रोक्लाइंड, मतलब ऐसे ऊपर को होता है, एंड इफ समबडी फॉल्स ऑन इट डायरेक्टली हिटिंग द ग्राउंड, देन समटाइम्स द टीथ कम्स आउट कम्प्लीटली, पूरा एज अ होल. So this is known as avulsion. So if something like this happens, if your tooth comes out immediately, if the tooth comes out completely, what you should do? Okay, the first thing is you have to store the tooth in a container, in a small container, which is not contaminated, of course, and you can store it in the milk, the plain milk, or saliva, or in a saliva in the sense आपके mouth में. Okay, so we prefer that the tooth be stored in your own saliva, that is, let it be in the mouth itself and not to touch the root portion of it. Don't let the tooth become dry. Okay, visit the nearby dentist as soon as possible so that the tooth can be replaced and you can be provided a correct treatment for that. So these are a few steps you have to take care